Forests play an essential role in our world. They provide a home, food for thousands of creatures, fuel and recreation for people, and much more. Let's find out more about forests.
Forests cover about 30% of the Earth's surface.
That's right. Forests are one of our world's biomes. A biome is a large geographical area that contains similar plants, animals, and environments. A forest is a complex community of life in which trees are the dominant life form.
There are three basic types of forests: the tropical rainforest, the temperate forest, and the boreal forest. The types of forest can be defined by the types of trees and the amount of rain.
Rainforests are mostly found around the equator. They cover about 7% of the Earth's surface. Rainforests have the greatest variety of trees. They have two basic seasons, wet and dry. And because the climate is so warm, rainforests are evergreen. That is, the trees don't lose their leaves. Rainforests are also so moist that some can even create their own rain.
Temperate forests grow in North America, northeastern Asia, western and central Europe, and south of the equator. Temperate forests enjoy all 4 seasons of weather.
Temperate forests have deciduous and conifer, or evergreen trees.
Deciduous is Latin and means to fall. Deciduous trees lose their leaves in the fall and regrow them in the spring. Conifer or evergreen trees have needles and keep them year-round.
Temperate deciduous forests in North America have trees like oak, maple, and beech. In the southern hemisphere, tropical deciduous forests have a warmer climate. Trees here don't grow as tall. Their trunks and branches twist more, and their trees' bark is thicker. Forests, no matter the type, have 3 basic zones. The top is called the canopy. That's where branches join together to form sort of a roof over the rest of the forest. The next level is the understory. That's where the small bushes, plants, and saplings live underneath the mature tree's canopy. The final level is the forest floor. Here, living things like algae, fungi, lichen, moss, and the decaying plants and leaves create a squishy carpet on the forest floor.
Here's a fact for you. Insects are the only creatures that live in all levels of the forest.
More than 5 million land species depend upon forests for their survival. Forests are where they live, where they find food. Forests provide services to people, too. They absorb carbon from the atmosphere. They give us wood for fuel, furniture, houses, and paper. They give us a place to recreate and to enjoy nature. Forests and the plants that live in them are the basis for medicine and food. Forests give us the ability to regulate temperature, and they clean the air of pollution. Most importantly, forests clean our water and provide oxygen we breathe.
One large tree can capture and filter 36,500 gallons of water a year.
And 2 mature trees provide enough oxygen for 1 person to breathe over a year.
Forests are so important they've been called our planet's lungs. But the world's forests are in trouble. More than 50% of the planet's forests have already been destroyed, and we're losing forests at a staggering rate, the equivalent of the size of 48 football fields every minute. Some forests are cleared for agricultural uses or mining. Some are lost to disease and pests. Large amounts are lost to wildfires.
We need to take care of our forest. We need our forest for clean air and clean water. We need forests for recreation and for a home for all those animals and plants.
So you do your part so we all have forests to enjoy.
If you want to learn more, head to the Science Trek website. You'll find facts, links, games, material for educators and parents, and much more. You'll find it all at sciencetrek.org.